Welcome to Tutorial Lore. In this video, I'll show you how to customize print-on-demand products in Shopify easily. Let's get started. Step 1. Install a print-on-demand app. Go to the Shopify App Store and install a print-on-demand app like Printify or Printful. Connect the app to your Shopify store. Step 2. Choose your product. Select the product you want to customize, such as t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases. Step 3. Upload your design. Upload your custom design or logo to the app. Adjust the size, position, and color of your design on the product. Step 4. Set product details. Add product titles, descriptions, and pricing. Choose product variants like sizes and colors. Step 5. Publish to your store. Once you're satisfied with the customization, click Publish to add the product to your Shopify store. That's how you customize print-on-demand products in Shopify. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. I do not intend to violate any copyright restrictions. If you have any copyright concerns or other inquiries, please email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.